If you want to start running ads to grow your sales but you have no idea how to run them or what kind of ads would work, maybe you are even scared a little bit of losing money. Or maybe you are thinking about hiring someone to run your ads. Or perhaps you have hired an agency to run your ads before and things didn't go as well as you want them. If this sounds like you, then this is the right moment for you to start losing money on ads in order to blow up your business. Here is the truth. Running successful ads is way easier than you think. I've been in e-commerce for more than 10 years now, and I have seen a lot of people fail and succeed. And believe me, the ones who succeed aren't usually the smartest or the best with analytics or the best content creators. The ones who succeed are the ones who don't let fear stop them. In this video, I'm going to break down all the fears that you might have and that might be stopping you from running ads and why you should be fighting them. Fear number one, I don't have enough time to learn how to run ads. Well, I get you. I understand you. Running a business, owning a business can actually be super overwhelming. I totally agree. I have my clients, I have the YouTube channel, I'm a mom of 2 little girls, so I know exactly how overwhelming running a business can be. But guess what? Running ads can take maybe less than 2 hours per week, or maybe even 1 hour per week. You're gonna tell me you don't have 1 hour in order to increase your sales? And I'm pretty sure you are doing a lot of other things that are time consuming and they are not as important as running ads. Well, to be realistic, maybe at the beginning you need more than 2 hours to get familiar with the platform and know how to set up your campaigns. And there is a video on this YouTube channel that can show you in details, step by step, how you can set up your campaigns. But once you are familiar with this platform and how to introduce ads and start campaigns and so on, all you need to do is to go weekly to your Facebook Ads Manager to check the results, turn off the ads that are not performing well, introduce new ads, and try to learn from the ads that are performing well and bringing you profitable sales. Hiring someone to run ads for you is not a smart strategy if you have a limited budget. I prefer if you dedicate all the money that you have, all the budget that you have to learn how to run ads. This is super important. Later on, maybe when you have more money, you can definitely hire an agency or someone to run ads for you. But at the first stages, I highly recommend you to learn this skill yourself in order to be able in the future to audit the work of other people who are running your ads. The only thing that you need, the only skill that you need is to be willing to learn, and that's it. So don't try to convince yourself that you don't have time, because it's not a time issue. Believe me, I'm pretty sure you can prioritize your task in a way to have some time to learn how to run ads. Most probably, it's about your mindset. Whenever we are facing something that we don't know about, we feel scared of it. So we try to postpone it, not to do it. I face the same problem. That's why I highly recommend you to step outside of your comfort zone and force yourself into doing this. Most probably it will turn out to be way easier than what you've expected. The only thing I recommend you to do is to have the right support while you are learning how to run your ads. So either hire someone to help you to learn the ads, or maybe buy a course, or maybe watch a lot of YouTube videos. It's up to you. But try to have good support so you don't repeat the same mistakes everyone else does when they start running ads. The second fear that you might have is the fear of losing money on ads. Well, this is a very realistic fear, but you need to accept that losing money is part of the process of learning how to run successful Facebook ads campaigns. This is a must, but you need to think about the money that you are putting at the beginning as an investment, as a way to collect data, as a way to learn the platform in order to be able to make your ads profitable as soon as possible. And instead of being scared of running ads or losing money on ads, ask yourself, what's going to cost you if you don't run ads? For any business to grow, it should be able to attract new customers and for sure retain the old customers. But getting new customers is essential to grow and scale your business. So ask yourself how you are driving traffic now to your store, how you are letting people know about your products and your brand. If you are not receiving traffic or more traffic every month or enough traffic, you will never be able to grow your business as much as you want. Facebook and Instagram ads are perfect to drive in new traffic to your store. They are perfect to put your products in front of new people who might have no intention of buying your product. Facebook and Instagram ads are perfect to grow and scale most of the businesses. If you are relying on things like SEO and Google search campaigns, it means that you are waiting for people to have the intention to buy a certain product, or maybe they have a certain problem and they find your products. With Facebook and Instagram, it's different because you You are literally putting your products in front of people. You are creating brand awareness. You are telling the world about your products and your brand. While yes, you might lose money while you are running Facebook and Instagram ads, especially at the beginning. But guess what? No one who ever ran ads didn't lose money. And instead of thinking about this money as something that you have lost, think about this money as something that you have invested in order to collect data and in order to understand what's the best way to sell your products, what's the best angle to introduce your products to new customers. Your mindset is going to play a big role in here, because if you go daily or maybe every few hours to the ads manager and you start turning off campaigns, turning off ads and changing them, you are not giving the algorithm the time to learn. Okay, you need to be chill, you need to be cool, and you need to accept that the money that you are losing now is not actually a loss, it's actually your way toward running successful ads. The third fear that you might have, and it's actually one of the most common fears that I have stumbled upon while working with clients, and it is how I'm going to create good video ads. Well, creating video ads is somehow tricky and challenging for most people. But guess what? You don't need to do it yourself. You can always hire content creators from Upwork to do it for you, or maybe simply content creators from Instagram to create content for you. Or you can learn how to do it, and it's not at all as difficult as you might be thinking. But guess what? We all start somewhere. And in order to learn how to run good videos, we all start by creating bad videos. It's the same logic. In order to learn how to run successful ads campaigns, you need to accept first that you are going to run bad ad campaigns. Campaigns that might end up losing for a while before you move on to running good and successful campaigns. This is part of the process. But again, when it comes to video ads, I always think that it's more about something in our head. It's more about stepping out of the comfort zone. And I've trained a lot of my clients into creating their own ads by themselves. I show them how simple it could be, and many of them ended up to be the ones creating the videos, editing them, scripting them, doing everything in just few weeks. The only thing that you should put in your mind that if you are willing to learn this, you are going to do it. Okay, you created those products, you created this brand, so most probably you believe in these products. You believe in your brand. There is a reason, or there are reasons of why you came out with these products. No one in the world is going to be more authentic or more real when talking about your products as you. So, how to create video ads for your products? Simply learn how to do it. Start by going to the Facebook ads library. See what your competitors are doing, and start by just trying to copy them. Yes, just start there. At the beginning, I just need you to copy them, exactly copy them, because later on, you will start to be more inspired and more creative, and you will do better ads. But at the beginning, when you are just creating your first video, I just need you to try to recreate one of your competitors' videos. Write the script, change it so it's suitable for your product, for your brand, and film it. All you need to have is a tripod, your iPhone, sit in front of a window, and that's it. And editing the video is, by the way, not that difficult at all. Now, with apps like CapCut, for example, you can edit your video within minutes. All you need to do is to add captions, to make sure there is a voiceover, and to add some B-rolls. So let's say, for example, you are selling foundation. Maybe you can add some clips of yourself putting foundation, maybe some clips removing the foundation and stuff like that, in order to give a better feel about the product and in order to make the videos more engaging. Maybe your first video is not going to be that great, but guess what? Over time, I'm pretty sure you are going to learn to create amazing videos. As I told you before, I have done this with many of my clients, and they have succeeded at becoming amazing content creators. And if you feel that creating videos, filming them, scripting them, editing them is something that you would never ever do, it's also fine. You can always hire content creators from Upwork or find some on Instagram to create content for you. I've been on this for a very long time to be able to say it with a lot of confidence. Believe me, it's not that hard to run successful Facebook ads campaigns. If you have a good product, if you are willing to learn, if you are willing to Run bad ads in order to learn how to run good ads. You will make your ads profitable sooner or later. Again, if you are interested in learning how to run Facebook ads campaigns, there is this video on this YouTube channel where I show you step by step how you can set up your campaigns. And if you want to know more about how to run Facebook ads and how to make them successful, I highly recommend you to check this playlist on my YouTube channel where I show you a lot of tips and tricks and technical things related to ads. So, happy learning!